Hey, we're visiting Kyle today at an East Boulder site, so let's go in and look at one of the largest islands we've made in a while. All right, Kyle, walk us through this massive, massive island.
This massive island is an island replacement. It was a two-tier island prior to this, and we are updating it. This one is interesting in the fact that we have different angles in this kitchen, all around the architecture of this whole living space. So what we did is we started from this corner, and we went parallel to this side, and then we kick right where Laura's standing, parallel to this side, and come all the way across, and then square back this way. Opening up, here is your overhang for all your chairs here. So you have a nice little egress to your couches or your outside. The cans are actually existing. So what we did is for some cost engineering, we let the cans lay where they are, and then we kind of reorganize all this so that the cans actually give you good light everywhere still. So we were able to do it without moving any of the electrical, which is big. What you have here is you have your cooktop coming with a downdraft bench. You have some switches over here. And then here's your sink base, and here's your dishwasher. I guess we can do it. We can do the whole length. I stand corrected. 214 inches long, just shy of 18 feet. You can hear me over there.